Nirvana. This truly is the peace. This is the highest, namely the end of all formations, the forsaking of every substratum of rebirth, the fading away of craving, detachment, extinction, nirvana, enraptured with lust, anger, and delusion are given up. Man aims neither at his own ruin, nor at others' ruin, nor at the ruin of both parties, and he experiences no mental pain and grief. Thus is nirvana immediate, visible in this life, inviting, attractive, and comprehensive to the wise, the extinction of greed, the extinction of anger, the extinction of delusion. This indeed is called nirvana. Well, or perhaps you can get to a point where you have emotions, you have desires, but you're not,